Your cells are silently aging faster than they should, and the reason might be your failing mitochondria. Most people don't realize this, but the health of your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside every cell, directly controls how quickly you age, how much energy you have, and even how deep your wrinkles become. If your mitochondria are weak, your skin loses elasticity, your energy crashes, and your lifespan shortens. But the good news? There are natural ways to reverse this, starting with these 3 breakthrough remedies for face wrinkles in 2025, and a mitochondrial supplement that could be the missing key to turning back the clock. Let's start with the first remedy, bakuchiol and blueberry stem cell fusion. This powerful duo doesn't just smooth wrinkles on the surface, it activates cellular repair by supporting mitochondrial function. Studies show that blueberry stem cells protect mitochondria from oxidative damage, which is crucial because when mitochondria fail, collagen breaks down faster, accelerating wrinkles. But here's the problem. No skincare can fully work if your mitochondria aren't producing enough energy to regenerate skin cells. That's where a mitochondrial booster like Mitolyn comes in. It provides the raw materials your mitochondria need to keep your skin firm and youthful from the inside out. Next up, the marine algae peptide mask. This 2025 innovation doesn't just temporarily tighten skin, it delivers peptides that mimic the effects of Botox by relaxing facial muscles. But did you know that muscle cells rely heavily on mitochondria for energy? As we age, mitochondrial decline leads to weaker muscle tone, sagging skin, and deeper wrinkles. Research shows that people with poor mitochondrial health develop visible aging signs up to 10 years earlier. That's why supporting your mitochondria with a supplement like Mitolyn is just as important as topical treatments, because no cream can fix cellular energy depletion. The third remedy is pomegranate ferment extract, a 2025 breakthrough that boosts elasticity better than traditional pomegranate. Fermentation increases its antioxidant power, shielding mitochondria from free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging. But here's the hard truth. If your mitochondria are damaged, your skin's repair mechanisms slow down, making wrinkles permanent. A study in Nature Aging found that mitochondrial dysfunction can shorten lifespan by up to 20%, meaning every wrinkle could be a sign of deeper cellular decay. That's why these 3 remedies work best when paired with Mitolyn, the mitochondrial supplement designed to recharge your cells, enhance skin regeneration, and even extend health span. Think of it like this. Your skincare routine is the exterior paint job, but Mitolyn is the engine upgrade. Without it, you're just covering up the damage instead of reversing it. If you're serious about reducing wrinkles, boosting energy, and adding healthy years to your life, don't just treat the surface, fix the root cause. Click the link below to get Mitolyn today and start repairing your mitochondria from within. Your skin and your future self will thank you.